Due to the resource-intensive nature of penetration testing, it becomes very important to carefully select the target surface. When threat modeling is performed as part of an assessment, then all of the attack surfaces can be identified and the test can be focused on the areas that are most critical. It is also helpful to look at risk assessments that have taken place in the past to identify the areas at risk that might be ideal candidates for testing. It is very common for security assessments to be performed on the perimeter of the network, since these systems are typically publicly facing and, as such, automatically at great risk. That being said, most attacks will start with some type of social engineering attack. And as such, it is very important to also look at attack vectors from the inside of an organization. Because once a user has been compromised, the attacker may pivot from that machine and start any further attacks from that viewpoint, and therefore will no longer be limited by any external perimeter defenses that you may have had in place. Penetration testing can be very resource intensive and very expensive. You should be sure to do your homework prior to performing any penetration testing to make sure that the test is properly scoped and actually covers the areas that are most important to the organization.